Hello friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon RGB Hex gaming case. So friends, Sharkoon has announced an ATX PC case that is optimized for airflow and has a front panel with 3D hexagon design. So friend, it will be from which the case gets its name, and the case which its conspicuous look offers an air-permeable front panel along with 6 pre-installed RGB LED fans that are fully addressable, and the case is complete with a side panel made of tempered glass and a modern USB Type-C port near the front panel on top of the case. And the front panel of the RGB Hex not only has a striking design, but it also largely consists of an air-permeable mesh that should ensure a strong intake of cool air. And behind the front panel, 3 fans throw the air through the mesh grille into the case, while a fan or rear panel or 2 on the top are intended to remove the warm air out of the case. And all these pre-installed 120 mm fans are equipped with addressable RGB LEDs, and the interior of the case is protected from dust by 3 dust filters. And friend, behind the front panel, the radiators can be up to 360 mm and have total height of 6.4 cm, including the fans. And under the top panel, a radiator with up to 240 mm is possible with a total height, including the fans, of 5.5 cm. And it has a side panel made of tempered glass through which users install hardware. Its illumination can be admired, and the ATX case should also offer enough space for powerful hardware components. And friend, the case has space for a graphics card up to 35 cm in length, CPU coolers up to 15.8 cm in height, and power supply units up to 21.5 cm in length. And friend, there is also space for the installation of up to 3.5-inch hard drives and up to 6 SSDs. And the manufacturer Sharkoon has paid attention to performance and ease use when it comes to the connection options of the RGB Hex. And in addition to two 3.0 ports, the I/O panel is also equipped with USB Type-C 3.2 Gen port that enables the use of mobile devices through the PC at a fast data transfer rate of 10 gigabits per second. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the suggested price is 84.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.